Okay, good morning my dear student. Good morning my dear student. Welcome back in our maths class. If you want to search me, then you just write Surya Prakash Mishra Mathematics, then you got my channel. Okay, and if you understood it is better for you, then you subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, then you press the like button, and then after, if you any doubt or any suggestion, then write the comment in comment box. Clear? Now our topic is triangle, and it is related to the class 10th. Clear? And now it is grade 31 part 1. Clear? So we know what is the triangle. I know that if you are in the 10th class, then each and every particular student know what is the triangle. Clear? But we start from the initial. Clear? Then every student see carefully. I will try when I complete my lecture, then every student understood clearly. Clear? Now see what is the triangle. Then first of all, we define the triangle. Clear? Triangle. Okay. Now, when anyone asks about the triangle, then in our mind, it's a concept developed like figure. Clear? Then this type of the shape is known as the triangle. And in this shape, which things are required? Clear? जब कभी भी आपसे कोई कहता है कि ट्रायंगल, तो हमारे दिमाग में एक फिगर बनता है, बहुत सारे फिगर बनते हैं, और फिर हम सोचते हैं कि इस फिगर में से कौन सा फिगर ट्रायंगल होगा, है ना? तो अब व्हेन वी थिंक अबाउट ट्रायंगल, देन वी थिंक देयर आर 3 पॉइंट्स. ट्राई, देखिए, इफ वी कैन एक्सपेंड द ट्रायंगल, देन इट इज TRI and plus angle. Triangle, tri means 3 and plus angle. You already know, when two lines are intersect at a point, then there is angle. So if any shape which have 3 angle, any closed figure which has 3 angle is called triangle. कोई भी शेप जिसमें 3 एंगल हो, उसको शेप बोला जाएगा. अब when we think about 3 angle, then we require 3 sides. Clear? It means a shape which enclosed by 3 sides is called the triangle. A plane figure which enclosed by 3 line segments are ray. Clear? A plane figure enclosed by 3 line segments is called the triangle. Suppose there is line segment, it is an answer. Clear? Then it is not enclosed. Here, enclosed means all the line segments are joined like this way. When the line segments are joined, then you know that in between 2 lines there is a angle. Then one angle is here, and this is also a line, and it is one line. There 2 lines. That's why we have angle, and both lines are intersect, then we have another angle. Then in this figure you see there are 3 angles. Clear? That's why it is called, this shape is called the triangle. Suppose anyone asks, triangle is a plane figure or solid figure? Because you know that in previous classes, like 6th, 7th here, or more initial classes, you know that which figure is the triangle is plane figure or solid figure. Here, because you know that if you are will go through the board examination, then nowadays there are MCQ type of question and you have 20 MCQ question. Clear? And in this MCQ question, it is question asked from very basic point. जो आपको MCQ टाइप के क्वेश्चंस होंगे तो उसमें जो क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा बड़े बेसिक क्वेश्चंस होंगे. ठीक है. अब ट्रायंगल से ही तो ट्रायंगल क्या होता है, कितना एंगल होता है, कितना साइड होता है, ठीक है, इस टाइप से क्वेश्चन इसमें पूछे जाएंगे. तो यह जिसमें अब तो इसीलिए इसको बड़े ध्यान से देखिएगा. इसमें 3 एंगल होते हैं, 3 साइड होते हैं. बाकी अब यह फिगर प्लेन फिगर है कि सॉलिड फिगर है. तो अब हमको देखना है कि प्लेन फिगर है कि सॉलिड फिगर है. तो ट्रायंगल जो होता है प्लेन फिगर होता है. ठीक है. अब ट्रायंगल बनता कैसे है? इफ वी हैव 3 नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट with the help with the name, particular name, we can define the triangle. This definition with the particular name. क्या है particular? Triangle. तो triangle का मतलब क्या हो गया कि ट्राई मतलब 3 और एंगल मतलब means a figure which have 3 angle is called triangle. With the help of name, we can a plane figure you say, or figure also a plane figure which have exact 3 angle is called triangle. Okay, understood? A figure, a plane figure which have 3 angle is called triangle. Then after, in other words, how we can define? If we want to if we want to make a triangle, then we require 3 points, and these 3 points are non-collinear point. Then everyone know collinear point? Collinear point means everyone know more than 2 points, 1 and 2, more than 2 points lies on same line. It is a line and there is a point and it is another point. More than the third point is here. It is 2 points are given. Then the definition of collinear point: more than 2 points lies on a line is called the triangle. Collinear is called the collinear point. So this definition is called the collinear point. And when we make the triangle, then we require 3 non-collinear points. It means you can define next definition of the triangle. If we want to make triangle, then we require 3 non-collinear point. It means with the help of 3 non-collinear point, we make the triangle. With the help of 3 non-collinear point, we make the triangle. Now, anyone ask how many non-collinear point in triangle? Then you say there are 3 non-collinear points in triangle. If anyone asks, it is possible we can make 3 collinear points. If we have 3 collinear points, then we can make the triangle. यदि आपसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए कि यदि हमको ट्रायंगल बनाना है तो क्या 3 कोलिनियर पॉइंट रहेगा तब भी हम ट्रायंगल बना लेंगे, तो आप कहोगे नो, बिकॉज इफ यू वांट टू मेक द ट्रायंगल देन वी रिक्वायर 3 नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट. सी व्हाट इज द नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट? मीन्स more than 2 points not lies on the same line, then it is 1 point, another point, and the third point is here. Clear? It is point A, point B and it is another point, more than 2 points not lies on the same line. Then see, it is one line, it is another line. Clear? Then this point C and A, it is 2 points lies on the same line. Clear? And when we can join it, then you see this point A, B, C are not lies on the same line. Clear? They are in the different position. That's why it is non-collinear point. So if we have 3 non-collinear point, then we got triangle. यदि हमारे पास 3 non-collinear point है तो हमको क्या मिल जाएगा? ट्रायंगल मिल जाएगा. Clear? In other words, in this, suppose anyone asks it is the plane figure or solid figure, then it is in the definition already know it is the plane figure. What do you mean by plane figure? If anyone asks what do you mean by plane figure, then you say in the class 9 Euclid geometry, you know that a plane which have length and breadth. Clear? A plane which have length and breadth. Clear? एक प्लेन उसको बोला जाता है जिसमें लेंथ होता है और ब्रेथ होता है. ठीक? लेंथ इज corresponding to the earth, length parallel to the earth and breadth perpendicular to the earth. Clear? And if any length is perpendicular to the earth, then it has the x-axis. Here it has the x-axis. ये कोई भी चीज जो है अर्थ के पैरेलल है तो वह मतलब एक्स एक्सिस होता है. एंड अनदर इज द परपेंडिकुलर टू द अर्थ, देन इट इज द वाई एक्सिस. देन यू नो दैट इफ एनी फिगर विच रिप्रेजेंट ऑन द एक्स वाई प्लेन, दैट मीन्स इट इज द 2 dimensional. इट मीन्स triangle is a 2 dimensional figure. Triangle is a 2 dimensional figure. How many dimensions in triangle? Then you say there are 2 dimensions in the triangle. Clear? ट्रायंगल में कितना डायमेंशन होता है तो आप बताओगे ट्रायंगल में 2 डायमेंशन होता है. ट्रायंगल कौन सा फिगर है? 2 डायमेंशनल फिगर है. आया समझ में? अब इसके बाद से हम जो डिफिनीशन हमको बताना है ट्रायंगल में, जो परफेक्ट डिफिनीशन है, सबको मिला के आप कैसे बोलोगे. अब जब हम ऐसे ज्वाइन करेंगे इन 3 नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट को इस टाइप से, तो अब ये जो बीच का एरिया है, एक जो बीच का है इसको क्या है? इसको आप एरिया बोलते हो. बीच वाला जो पार्ट है ना, इसे जो इंक्लोज होता है इसको एरिया बोला जाता है और रीजन भी बोला जाता है. ठीक? तो अब हम कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे ट्रायंगल को? A plane figure are region which enclosed by 3 line segments. A plane figure are region which enclosed by 3 line segments. Clear? And when 3 line segments are enclosed, then we have 3 triangle, 3 angle. Clear? When we have 3 line segment, when 3 line segment are enclosed, then we have 3 angle. Clear? Then in triangle there are 2 components. In triangle how many components? Then there are 2 components. Component of triangle. देखिए मैं बहुत बेसिक से आपको ट्रायंगल पढ़ा रहा हूं, तो सभी लोग बड़े ध्यान से देखिएगा. कंपोनेंट ऑफ ट्रायंगल, 1 is the angle, first component is the angle and second component is the side. When side and angle in any plane figure which have 3 side and 3 angle is called the triangle. अब एंगल कितना होता है? एंगल भी 3 होता है और साइड भी 3 होता है. साइड मीन्स लाइन. तो कोई भी ऐसा प्लेन फिगर विच हैव 3 एंगल एंड 3 लाइन्स इज कॉल्ड द ट्रायंगल. और region or area which enclosed by 3 line segment is called the triangle. Okay. Then after you know that there are 3 lines. Clear? Then it may be possible all lines are same. Yes, all 3 lines are same. Or it may be possible only 2 lines segment are same. Or it may be possible no lines segment are same. Clear? That means if all lines are same, then what is the name of the triangle? If only 2 line segment are same, then what is the name of the triangle? And when no one lines are same, then what is the name of the triangle? It means it is type of the triangle. Then in our next topic, type of the triangle. Here and another thing, you know that sum of all angle of a triangle in class 9th you already proved it. Triangle is 180 degree. ट्रायंगल के जितने भी हैं, जितने एंगल मतलब 3 एंगल होते हैं, जितने भी एंगल होते हैं उनका सम कितना होता है? 180 के बराबर होता है. ठीक है ना? 180 डिग्री से कम होगा ना 180 डिग्री से अधिक होगा. तो आपसे कोई पूछ दे कि क्या ट्रायंगल, ऐसा ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल है जिसके सभी एंगल का सम 181 डिग्री हो? तो आप बोलेंगे नहीं. क्या कोई ऐसा ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल है जिसके सभी एंगल का सम 170 डिग्री है? तो नहीं, कोई ऐसा ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल नहीं है जिसके सभी एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री से कम या 180 डिग्री से अधिक हो. तो ऐसा कोई ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो अब जब 180 डिग्री है, 3 एंगल है, तो अब इसमें 3 एंगल के बिहाफ पर भी हम ट्रायंगल के को डिफाइन, टाइप को डिफाइन करेंगे. ठीक है. तो अब हमारा जो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर होगा उसमें हम टाइप ऑफ ट्रायंगल पढ़ेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.